wanted to give a shout out to Power Mazda here in Salem for letting me come out and check out some of their vehicles, do a quick little video. If you guys are in Salem, Oregon, looking for a new Mazda, I'd recommend swinging through and checking them out. What's going on, everybody? This is a 2020 Mazda 3 Soul Red hatch. Gonna kind of give a quick walk around and show you guys little features about the car. There is a ton of information out there in terms of specifics and little nitty-gritty details that you can find, but I'm just gonna keep this fairly short and sweet. Have a quick walk around around the car, because I know for myself, when I'm looking at a car, I do like to see just around the car and in the interior, and I'm just gonna give that to you today. Beautiful exterior. Love this front grille. Mazda put them on all trim levels for the 3s. Aggressive looking stance at the same time. Beautiful headlights. Has these 18-inch, kind of that gunmetal gray look, which goes so well with the red. With the turn signals, I do love that the fact that it's color matched, but also has this slight black trim piece here. And also there's not a ton of chrome on the car, but the chrome that kind of runs along here just kind of gives it a good, it's a nice little accent. Beautiful body lines. It just flows. I don't know how else to describe it. It just flows. For the rear end, beautiful tail lights. Has that premium, you know, luxurious yet aggressive look at the same time. This is the Skyactiv G here, and it does have dual exhaust. Also a ton of space here in the rear end. And it's also a 60-40 split. You can fold the seats down for that added space, and honestly you can fit a decent amount in here. Start it up real quick. Oops. Turn the headlights on, show you the exterior. Love the LEDs on it. Has the adaptive front headlights as well, so it kind of turns with you a little bit as you're turning in the whatever direction you are, and it just gives a little extra lighting in the direction you're turning. Just look at that front end. What a look. Something I do love is has the LED strip here for your turn signals, but also for those that are kind of in your blind spot, that are missing the rear end but not quite in front of you yet. You kind of have this little piece right here, so it's in that blind spot. Little feature like that is honestly beautiful. Love what they did with it. Just, it's little details like that. Here's what the lights are looking like on the rear end. Quick little interior. First thing I noticed when you shut the door, it just sounds solid. It sounds like a sturdy feel. It doesn't sound like anything's loose or rattling in there. I mean, obviously there shouldn't be for a new car, but some of them, you know what I'm saying? Like, they just have, it just has that sturdy feel and sound to it. And if you guys get in one of these, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Super minimal yet classy steering wheel at the same time. It has everything you can need, but also it, just look at it. It looks minimal, it feels good, it feels premium. The gauge cluster, obviously beautiful as well. Here's the infotainment system. And then kind of that control center for everything going on up here. You know, you've got your nav, you've got your home button back for music, and you can twist this to kind of go left and right on the menu. You can move it up, down, left and right. And then you've got your volume knob right here. And then you can just kind of just press that to shut everything off. Bam. Got the electric e-brake. Sport mode. Beautiful cup holders compared to previous gen when they were like right over here. Got a decent amount of space here as well if you want to stack up like 7 phones. Premium feeling seats, premium, like just sitting in them feels premium, but just the look and to touch they feel premium as well. And as with everything else in the interior, everything else is soft touch. So I'm also gonna kind of set the seat how I would normally sit, and I'm 5'8" on a good day. I kind of just want to show you the back seat and the space in that as well. So like I said, I'm 5'8" on a good day. Sitting here, this would be my driving position. Let me show you the back in terms of space. And so I've got myself 3 to 4 inches of space here, but if you are a little bit taller, as you can see, there's not as much space there. This seat is pushed back pretty far in the front, but I do have a decent amount of room. If you are shorter like me, the back seat feels, you know, just as good as the front. A good amount of headroom. No AC vents, no AC heater vents down here. And auto rear windows, auto all around pretty much. Nothing else too fancy down here. Just a good look from the back seat. Like, look how good that looks. Come on, looks premium. Shut the car off. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of keep it short, and somewhat short at least, and sweet. Show you a couple little features, give you a walk around of the car. That's gonna be it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know. I know there's a ton of room to grow in this space. That's gonna be it for now. I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.